So what I'm doing is just building the shape out. Start to build the shape so that I could come in now and go from clipper over comb to scissor over comb to finish moving this side out. I want to leave a little of this weight here to actually go with the style that we choose to go with towards the end. So when you think about cutting hair, you don't always cut and just remove hair. You want to leave some of that hair on so that you can actually finish building out this shape. So what you see me doing is going in, clipper over comb, my clipper is closed. I want to cut instantly. I don't want the hair to push, lift, locate my guide, cut, and then follow the shape that I've created. So you can start to see that drop fade take place. Then I'll come back and clean up and even out any of that area to smooth out that transition a little bit more. So I go back in, clipper over comb, working up to my guide, traveling with a vertical clipper, horizontal comb. And as I go in clipper over comb, I'm just establishing the shape to finish out my shear work when it's time to pick up my shears.